Good morning everybody, Greg here. Well, today I'm going to make for us some breakfast. A delicious sweet soy mushrooms on some cheesy toast. Diggity, that sounds good. Super easy to make too. Let's get started. Right, well first we need to throw some toast on the toaster. Well, it's not toast yet, it's bread. So we'll throw some bread in the toaster and we'll whack that on. I'll also heat up a frying pan and turn on the broiler or grill. Get that nice and high. And while those things are doing their thing, we'll just grab some mushrooms. I've just got 4 fairly big ones here. And I'm just going to cut them into little segments. I'll be frying these bad boys up. If they're too big, cut them in half, because we want them to fit on the toast. They will shrivel up. Things the shape of mushrooms tend to shrivel up sometimes. G'day! How's it going? I love mushrooms. Oh, well, the toast's done. Yep. Good. Oh boy, that's hot. Oh, but that's done. So now we need some butter. Put that into the frying pan, which should have warmed up by now. We'll also throw the mushrooms in. And to add a little bit more flavour, I've got 1 clove of garlic here, which I'll just crush in. Oh, it smells so good already. And we'll just stir this through. Get that cooking and reducing. And while that's happening, let's grab some bread, our toast, and let's pour some cheese on here, on each one. Spread that out. Don't make it too thick, but we'll put some on there. We get it to the edges. Oh, good job. Oh, great work. Oh yeah. Oh, yum. Okay, so now that's done. Let's throw this under the grill. Now I might just move this tray up one. Get it a little bit closer to that heat. The other one there. Probably should have put it on a piece of paper or a pizza tray or something in case it leaks all over the bottom element. Crazy me. You see how crazy I can be? Anyway, let's get back over here to these mushrooms. You know what I think it's lacking? Some more butter. We better add some more because it looks dangerously low. Yeah. That looks healthier. Wow, that smells good. Well, those mushrooms look awesome. So now it's time to add the secret ingredient, the sweet soy sauce, aka ketchup mayonnaise. Now this is a sweet soy sauce. Now if you don't have sweet soy sauce, you can just use regular soy sauce and add a little bit of honey or add a little bit of sugar to it. But I've got the real deal here. So now we need to square it in. For this amount, 4 big mushrooms, about 1 tablespoon's worth. And we do this right at the end because it does caramelize and can start burning. And the smell coming off there is diggity. Oh gee, I haven't even checked the toast. Let's check this toast, make sure it's not burning. Oh, that looks beautiful. So I'll turn that off. I'll take this toast over here, and I'll also grab this one here and put it on like that. Actually, I'll put it on a plate. That'll be better. And by this stage, the mushrooms are all done. How good does that look? But it could look better with some decorations. Let's go get some. I've got some out here. I've just got to get some chives. Got some here. I'll just snip some off. Right. These will make it taste even better. Just snip some of these over the top. And there you have it, some sweet soy mushrooms on some melted cheese toast. Oh, mate. What more do you want? Now you can season this with salt and pepper, but you gotta try it first, don't you? Anyway, let's dive on in. Mmm. Wow, these mushrooms, a little hint of sweetness, but all it does is bring out the flavour of them. The cheese underneath, I mean, what more do you want? It's an absolute cracking recipe, and you should make it. And if you do make it, I'd love to know what you thought about yours. Go and make it for your girlfriend or your parents one morning. They'll love it. If you want to see some more awesome recipes, remember to subscribe for more. Remember to click hello. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time right here on Greg's Kitchen. Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where today I made some delicious sweet soy mushrooms on some cheesy toast. What an awesome breakfast it made.